Hello, guys. Welcome to the top 5 niches of the week, episode 59. And happy Valentine's Day. How's your day going? Mine is going super good. And in order not to waste your time, let me just get into it. So, our niche number one is this cat. It's a funny t shirt. It's about a cat that did some scratching. It said, "Did I scratch anyone today?" No. Did I want to? Oh, yeah. So it's kind of funny for those who are cat lovers, cat owners, and it's a kind of sarcastic look at his face. It's quite funny. So let's take a look at the BSR. How is it doing? Our trend is up, and look at the BSR. Let me go right down. So it just jumped down a cliff there. It has been going up and down, up and down. People have been purchasing it, and it is at price at 16.98 over 87 reviews, 161 sales plus. That was the first niche, the sarcastic cat. Niche number two is another cat, also another funny shirt. Actually, this one is a kitten, and it says, "It's fine, I'm fine, everything is fine." And it's priced 19.95, 140 sales, 12 reviews plus. Look at the BSR2, overall trend is up. It's been going up and down, up and down, up and down. So actually, I don't know if the cat has been zapped by lightning or it was just being destructive, but either way, it's a funny shirt. And to my understanding, this cat has been zapped by lightning. That's what I think. When you watch anime and the cat has been zapped by lightning or something, and it has his hair standing uh, like this, just looking black. So that's the first thing that comes to mind. I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. That was it for niche number two. Niche number three, Black History Month, and it has all these hands with different complexions. Says we are human, we are all human. It has formed the heart sign. It's really, really a thoughtful design, quite touching and beautiful. He sends a lot of message, just this one design. And it says Black is beautiful, Black History Month, we are all human shirt. So let's take a look at the PSR. Wow, wow, wow. Over trend is up, current trend is up. But it's actually Black History Month, so obviously you wouldn't be surprised that it's selling this well. Um, so take advantage of these other Black History Month shirts. Let me take a look at it. So this is another Black History Month that is new, and I'm trying to show you as much designs as I can find that are not repetitive, because whenever I do the top 5 niches of the week, I want to find new designs that you guys haven't seen before that are doing quite well. See, this is an example of another one that I haven't shown before. It just popped up. It's a new design, so this is encouraging you to upload your own designs, because you don't know, it can also be a bestseller. So this is from the .com marketplace. As you can see, no reviews yet. That shows that it's new. Price 15.99, over 112 sales, and it just says I am Black History with the colors green, red, yellow, on the different complexions, melanin complexions. And let's take a look at the BSR. Let's see how well it's doing. Overall trend is up, and look at it, just fell from what, 700,000 BSR to like 100,000 or even lower. Yeah, this is lower. Yeah, to like 50,000 or so, even less. So, and it's approaching it's leveling up or even approaching one. So we can tell that it's doing quite well, as you can tell. And our next Black History shirt that is also doing quite well, 2022, it says awesome Black History shirt. Yeah, it's 20. I don't know why the person had to add 2022 here, because obviously there's going to be Black History Month again next year. So putting this 2022 can deter some customers from buying. So yeah, and besides, I don't know, I don't think people are looking for Black History Month 2022. If they are, I usually let go of the year so that the next year we can, except the design has 2022 on it before I'll include it. But if it doesn't, I usually just let it be like that. Then the next year they can purchase it again, because sometimes it deters some customers. They think like, oh, maybe this shirt is old or something. So it says Black History Month. Actually, the month has been crossed out, and there's this date, 24th, 7, 3. Oh, 24 on 7, 365 days a year. Oh, that's what it means. So they're trying, this year is trying to say that is not, Black History is not supposed to only be a month, it's supposed to be all through the year. Right? It's quite experience. It's touching too and inspirational message too, and I like the design. So 14.99 price, 14.99 over 117 sales, no reviews yet, and our trend is up. Look at the BSR. It fell from 50,000, but I'm sure it's going to sell more. It's a quite inspirational shirt. Black History. I'll be careful with this keyword pride if you're using keywords from here. By the way, the links to all these tools are in the description below. And let's go to the next niche. So niche number is a 3. Yeah, it's a sports niche. You guys know that. You guys know the Super Bowl started today, and those who are sports lovers, American football lovers, are gonna want to purchase a shirt that is going to support their team. So this one is a generalized kind of shirt. It says, "Yay, go sports, do the thing, win the points." So you can actually buy this shirt for Super Bowl. You can buy it for any other kind of sports. It's not specific to Super Bowl, but because Super Bowl begins today, I was thinking that people are buying this shirt because of Super Bowl. But this shirt can be purchased all year round, no matter the sports, because it just says sports. It doesn't specify what kind of sports. So it's priced 18.99, 132 sales, 75 reviews. Let's take a look at the BSR. Wow, it's been going up and down, up and down, up and down. Anyway, as of now, it's not doing bad. As you can tell, it's priced 18.99. People are still purchasing. And let's go to the next sports shirt. It says game day, and it's specific. It has this football needs, so it's specific to the Super Bowl, which begins tonight. So it just says game day, and it's quite an easy shirt to produce if you want to produce this kind of shirt. Yes, it's just white text, but if I were to reproduce this kind of shirt, I'll make it more colorful in order to stand out from the crowd. So it's priced 21.99 over 129 sales. I don't know why people are giving it 3 ratings. Anyway, who knows? Sometimes it's not your fault. It's the printing shirt. Sometimes they even give it ratings like that based on the fitting. So maybe it has something to do with maybe it has something to do with the design. So okay, so this is another shirt related to sports, and it says, "Show me your titties." Titties. Okay, that's funny. All right, and it has this footballs on the place where the titties are supposed to be. It's quite funny, but I wouldn't put this on a youth shirt if I were the one, because um it will be quite offensive to some parents. So, and Amazon might actually delete your design if you put it on the used shirt. So just a side note there if you're making this kind of shirt in the future. And it's priced 14.99 over 105 sales. Let's take a look at the BSR. Overall trend is up, as you can tell, obviously because of Super Bowl that is beginning today. And our next shirt is this is related to winter sports. You know, winter sports is still going on, and this one has here USA curling, and has the curling iron right there. So I was thinking, if you want to approach this niche, you should do in the other niches, like maybe you go for USA basketball, USA running, you know, all those other sub sports. You can do the same thing. You do the USA and you do the sport, then you include it. So that's just what I was thinking. Yeah, that's just what I was thinking. With the American flag, you do it for the other sports. So our next niche is Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras is in March. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's March. So it's not too early to start producing your Mardi Gras shirts, and it just says love with is it fleur de riz? If I'm not mistaken, is that what it's called? It's a kind of flower. Oh, fleur fleur de lis. Yeah, I'm not wrong. Fleur de lis. Here it is right here. Fleur give de lis. Yeah, and it just says love with the sparkly. It's quite a easy but beautiful shirt, and let's see the pairs of how well it's doing. So wow, overall trend is up, current trend is up, guys. So focus on these Mardi Gras shirts. We also have St. Patrick's Day shirts. Yeah, St. Patrick. I just remembered St. Patrick's Day is in March, so you should do well to include that in your niches when you're making your design. So our next, oh, I think this is our last niche. This is our last niche. So the next segment, we're going into deleted designs. So deleted designs, what do we have today? February 12th. This is when this one was uploaded. And let's take a look at all the other things that have been deleted. Um, I really don't know why these designs are being deleted, except they have um, like they've been copied designs from another person. This looks like a cartoon or something. If you're doing something about cartoons, I highly recommend that you don't. Um, oh no, are you kidding me? It says I could be a better president. This is just wrong on all levels. It has that Trump's hair. Oh, I could SHIT a better president. Wow. Okay. And I'm sure they must have uploaded it on youth clothing. Maybe that's why it was deleted. But I just generally like to stay away from negative designs. I always like to do more of inspirational designs. Yeah, we all need it once in a while. So that's just me. I don't know about you. So these are the other designs. I'm ready to crush first grade, deep throat. Okay, now how is this anyway? I'm not even gonna talk about it. Amazon's algorithm is very sensitive, so I just tend to stay away from talking about things that will hurt my channel. So okay, so there are thoughts of Pi Day, guys. So Pi Day is also coming. I just remember too. It's also in March, and if you're interested in taking a look at all these deleted designs, just grab flying research link in the description below and come right here to deleted. You click deleted, you're going to see all the designs and you can take a look at all of them. So there are too many. I can't do it forever because I don't want the videos to be too long. What I'm going to do now is just go to what is upcoming. So we're looking at the month of March. Actually, let's start in February. Let's see one on Valentine's Day today, and the next is President's Day next week. Next is first day of Women History Month. Then in March we have daylight saving time starts now. I don't think it's a niche. Then we have first, okay, that was the last one. Then we have St. Patrick's Day, just what I was talking about, that is in March. Then I also use the Springfuls holiday calendar. So if you're looking forthcoming, it's National Dress Day for March. Actually, let's start in February. So Groundhog Day has passed. Winter Olympics presently were in it. So you can, like I was telling you, for those in niche like the curling iron, you can replace it with basketball, swimming and all the like. And Chinese New Year, it has passed. Super Bowl beginning today, Valentine's Day today, Family Day. So I'm pretty much done with February. The next thing we need to focus on is March: National Dress Day, International Women's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Holy Festival, first day of spring, then Mother's Day. And if you're done with this, you can start with April. So I usually like going ahead like 2 months into my designs, but I've slacked off my designs today because I'm focusing on KDP. I want to get my sales up But regardless, I'm gonna get back into it as soon as possible. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Prince Man and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.